When you search for the best tennis ball machine, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, same photos. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Wilson Trinity Pro Tennis Balls. Let's kick things off with the Wilson Trinity Pro Tennis Balls. Priced at $13.91, these balls caught my attention because of their innovative design. If you want consistent performance and longer-lasting feel on the court, this is worth a serious look. These balls are made from high-vis pro-woven felt, which means they provide superior consistency and are easier to track during play. The construction is optimized for a lively response when you hit them, making it easier to practice your strokes. Plus, the Engage Core technology maintains that fresh ball feel 4 times longer than standard tennis balls. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't have to replace them as often, saving you money in the long run. With over 200 of these sold in just the past month, it's clear that other players are also seeing the value here. Now, some people complain that they might feel a bit heavier than standard balls. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for durability and performance, that slight weight increase is not a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're a serious player looking to improve your game. Skip this one if you're just starting out and want something cheaper to get your feet wet. For the value, these balls are a solid investment for any tennis enthusiast. Now, if the price of the Wilson Trinity Pro balls is a concern, the next option might be a better fit for your budget. Product number 2, Wilson Balls Hooper. Next up is the Wilson Balls Hooper, priced at $50.72. This caught my eye because it's an essential tool for anyone who wants to make their practice sessions more efficient. If you want to eliminate the hassle of gathering up tennis balls after practice, this is worth a serious look. This hooper holds up to 90 tennis balls, which means you can spend more time hitting and less time chasing after balls. The lid hooks on top to prevent any spills, so you won't have to worry about losing balls during transport. It folds easily for storage and is ideal for practice sessions or training. Here's why it matters for you. Having a hooper allows you to focus more on your technique rather than the logistics of collecting balls. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit cumbersome when fully loaded. But honestly, if you're serious about your training, that minor inconvenience is nothing compared to the time you'll save. This is perfect for you if you're regularly practicing or coaching others. Skip this one if you play casually and don't need to gather balls frequently. Considering the convenience it offers, it's a smart buy for dedicated players. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're looking for something that requires minimal bending. Product number 3, NEEWER Tennis Ball Roller. Up next is the NEEWER Tennis Ball Pickleball Collector Roller, coming in at $81.16. This product caught my attention because it addresses a common problem, bending over to pick up tennis balls. If you want to save your back and gather balls quickly, this is worth a serious look. This roller allows you to collect up to 40 tennis balls without bending, which is a game changer for many players. It features an adjustable height, accommodating users of all sizes, which ensures comfort while you practice. The quick setup and portability mean you can easily take it to different courts. Here's why this matters. It saves time and energy, allowing you to focus on your game rather than the logistics of ball collection. However, some users have pointed out that it doesn't work well on very smooth surfaces. But honestly, if you're using it on grass or clay, it performs beautifully. This is perfect for anyone who practices frequently and wants to minimize strain. Skip this one if you play in very smooth environments where it might struggle. For the price, it's a smart addition to your tennis gear. Now, if the features of the NEEWER roller impressed you, wait until you hear about the next product, which really takes convenience to another level. Product number 4, Spinshot Pro Tennis Ball Machine. Next, we have the Spinshot Pro Tennis Ball Machine, priced at $1,520.78. Now, I know that's a hefty price tag, but this machine is designed for serious players. If you want a fully automated experience that mimics real-life play, this is worth a serious look. This machine is unique because it's not made of plastics, which gives it a more premium feel. It features knob controls that make it easy to use even for kids. Plus, it has flexible power options, allowing you to charge the battery separately, which is a great feature for outdoor use. Here's why this matters. With its versatility and ease of use, you can set it up in minutes and start practicing without waiting. Now, some people have mentioned that it can be a bit heavy to transport. Here's the thing though, if you're investing in your game, the quality and features far outweigh the slightly heavier weight. This is perfect for dedicated players who want to practice specific drills and enhance their game. Skip this one if you're just getting started and aren't ready to invest that much. Given its capabilities, it's a powerful tool for serious athletes. Finally, if the spinshot Pro is too extreme for your current needs, the last product is a much more portable option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, SCIFANTA Portable Tennis Ball Tosser. Last but not least, we have the SCIFANTA Portable Tennis Ball Tosser at $126.82. What really caught my attention is its portability and ease of use. If you want an affordable way to practice your strokes without needing a partner, this is worth a serious look. This ball tosser releases balls automatically every 4 seconds, allowing you to practice various techniques alone. It's suitable for all ages and skills, with adjustable settings to accommodate different ball weights. The fact that it's lightweight and can fit inside a tennis bag means you can take it anywhere. Here's why that's important. Having the ability to practice anywhere, anytime means you can fit training into your busy life. However, some users have raised concerns about its capacity, as it holds only 10 balls. But honestly, if you're looking for a portable solution, that's a small trade-off for the convenience it offers. This is perfect for beginners and intermediate players who want to refine their techniques. Skip this one if you need a machine that holds a larger capacity. For the price, it's an excellent choice for those wanting to practice on the go. So to recap, we've looked at the Wilson Trinity Pro tennis balls for durability, the Wilson Balls Hooper for efficiency, the NEWER Roller for convenient collection, the spinshot Pro for advanced training, and the SCIFANTA Tosser for portability. Each one offers something unique, depending on your specific needs. Whether you're a beginner or a serious player, there's a tennis ball machine here that can help elevate your game.